There is no store-bought brand of a toothpaste that doesn't have questionable ingredients. Today, Good Living Ghana is going to show you how to make your own toothpaste at home. My name is Israel Mensah-Gota and this is Good Living Ghana. There are two homemade toothpaste that we are going to show you. The first one is the organic toothpaste. The things you need are as follows: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of ground sea salt, 1 drop of peppermint or citrus pure essential oil, and a few drops of water. All you're going to do is mix all the ingredients in a dish until you create a solid paste. Put it on your toothbrush and brush your teeth. The second one is the vegan toothpaste. Ingredient: 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin, 4 tablespoons of baking soda, half teaspoon of guar gum, 8 tablespoons of water, and 5 drops of peppermint or citrus pure essential oil. So this is what you're going to do. Put all the ingredients in the pot except the essential oil. Cook on little heat for 5 minutes or at least by the time it gets a paste-like texture, and stir at regular intervals. After it gets cold, add the essential oil and store in an antiseptic jug or room temperature. Dip your brush in it and use it to brush your teeth and see the magic.